Thank you for joining us for the Path to Purple virtual open house. I'm here today with Paula Carlson. My name is Samantha Eckerson. Today we are going to welcome you to the Path to Purple, go over what is the Path to Purple, talk a little bit about the Winona State University Rochester Student and Campus Services, the admissions process, the tuition and cost savings, programs, and questions. And we're going to show you a short video about Winona State University Rochester campus.
I enjoy the lectures, and it's very inclusive. Even the school itself is extremely diverse.
Both schools are very friendly to veterans.
They really want to help you succeed.
The number of alumni that live in the area, they're servant leaders in the community.
Very well-respected individuals in our community.
And definitely if you're looking to meet new people, it's the place to be.
All right.
So just to echo that video, we're excited that you're joining us here in our virtual open house. Next up, what is Path to Purple? The biggest thing that we'd like to stress to you is that we do want to create a seamless entry into our completion degrees, meaning that we need you to enter as a transfer student to us by completion of your associate's degree at the community college location or other, as well as the completion of the Winona State University Rochester specific program admission requirements, depending on which major you're seeking with us. We offer transfer scholarships specifically out of our admissions department to transfer students, and we also have foundation scholarships available through the Winona State Foundation. We offer the choice of participating in our computer laptop program known as the E-Warrior program. A couple of our program completion degrees do require the E-Warrior program, and it is optional to other students. We have an excellent academic reputation here at WSU Rochester, including small class sizes with supportive staff and faculty. We look forward to creating connections for internships through our faculty and our community and our employers, including clinicals and future employment opportunities. We're excited about the inclusive environment and community that we offer here on our campus.
So a little bit about our Student and Campus Services Office here on the Winona State University Rochester campus. You can see all of the services listed there on the side. We are located here on the Winona State University Rochester campus here in the RCTC campus. We have academic advising, career services. We do offer student life and activities for our Rochester students. We have access services for students with disabilities. Their ombudsman person who is an advocate for our students here on this campus. We have financial aid available, and if you are seeking questions about your financial aid, we would have the answers for you. And then we also have a direct line right away to our financial aid officers over on the Winona State campus side. We also have visiting advisors that come to our campus that will help visit with students who are seeking services with our students, and then registration and graduation services as well.
With the admissions process, as you can see on the screen in front of you, it all starts with an online application at winona.edu/apply. One of the convenient things with our transfer students here in the Mid-State system is each of you who have been a member of the Mid-State system have a star ID and a password, and you use that star ID and password to log into the online application. Or for students who are not part of the Mid-State system, you're able to create one with the steps that are provided on the screen at that time. As far as an application fee goes, if you're an RCTC or a Riverwind student, that $20 application fee that we have is waived for you by our admissions individuals reviewing your applications. If you are not coming to us as a transfer student from RCTC or Riverland, there is the $20 application fee. It is important at the university level that you understand that all college transcripts are required of all students, and we are not able to complete the application and admission for you until we've received all of your college transcripts. We have a YouTube video here that's available for you to watch if you're interested in clicking on that in the future to bring up the steps for the WSU transfer application.
We will have this PowerPoint available also at the end if you are looking for the links, so we will email this to you as well. For the Path to Purple cost savings, it is important to note that for this example, we used the 12 credits as a full-time student. Many students go part-time or have banded tuition, so we wanted to make sure that to illustrate this, we are utilizing the full-time 12 credit student. So we also utilized the RCTC model for the transfer pathway or the transfer student, and for that cost to transfer in. We can go on for another student as well, but we just wanted to make sure that that was illustrated as well. You can see that the cost savings is about $25,000, and the Minnesota average for a four-year institution is about $13,000, and the total would be about $52,000. So the cost savings is around $26,000 if you would go for the Path to Purple model here. So in the interest of saving money, this is a value for you. Not only would you get excellent academics here at Winona State Rochester, you would also be saving a lot in your tuition as well.
Next up, we're going to go through each of our programs that we offer here with WSU Rochester. And again, to stress that these are completion degrees, meaning that WSU Rochester offers only the upper division coursework to complete the bachelor's degree. We depend on our community college partners and or previous degrees that you've had to complete your general education coursework required for the bachelor's degrees and any program specific coursework. First up is our business administration degree. The screens that will follow, you'll see some consistency with course delivery type, minimum number of credits with Winona State in this program, estimated tuition for the completion degree, and how long as a full-time student the program is set up to complete. As you look at the admission requirements specifically, in addition to the College of Business admission requirements, students are ready to begin the business administration degree completion program must have completed their first 2 years of the lower division general education coursework.
For our next program of interest, we have computer science. And you can also see that we have 3 different tracks for computer science here, listed here on the Rochester campus. So you can look into those specifically if you are looking for the PowerPoints. You can also see that there are specific prerequisites that come into the computer science degree here on the Rochester campus as well. We also want you to point out that this program does participate in the eWarrior laptop program. So make sure that you are looking into that if you are going into the computer science degree.
And our elementary education, kindergarten through 6th grade licensure program. Winona State University proudly totes that they were the first teachers college west of the Mississippi. So the tradition goes back a very long time with producing education majors. Here with WSU Rochester, we offer the elementary education K-6 completion degree. We are actually embedded in a classroom in a local elementary building at Riverside Elementary currently for the completion degree, along with a few other courses that are taught here up at the RCTC campus for our students. You can see that it is a fall start only program. That's important to note the difference there. We do offer a part-time option. We have a 2-year full-time option, a 3-year part-time option. We also offer this program completion degree through our partnering with Riverland Community College in Austin, Minnesota. And they too are at one of our local elementary schools there in Austin, Minnesota.
All right, next up is our RN to BS program. So in this program, you must have your 2-year nursing degree and your RN license. So this is a wonderful program that has a high job placement rate, approximately 96%, as you can see there. This is also in multiple locations. So we are in Rochester, La Crescent, Red Wing, and we are about to open up also in Austin. So it is a partially online and 4 face-to-face classes program. So it is a very flexible program for our working RNs, and it is designed to be that way. So it is a full-time or part-time program. So it is very advantageous for our working RNs.
Next up is social work. The course delivery that we have with social work going forward is a hybrid path. We will be having a fall admission for this program. The recommendation is that you have your minimum of 60 credits completed of the Minnesota transfer curriculum, or as a transfer student outside of that, it'd be a matter of reviewing your transcripts and finding, reviewing them and discerning whether or not you have the program prerequisites incorporated in that. And if not, then we need to talk about how we can make sure that we do get those courses completed before we can actually start this completion degree.
All right, so if you have any questions, make sure that you email us. We are always available to answer any questions that you may have. For access to this recording and the PowerPoint presentation, please email your name to wsurochester@winona.edu. We thank you for joining us, and we are definitely here for you in any way that we can. Our information is listed there, phone numbers and email.